Today we are going to use this landscape for a panorama that I will stitch together in Lightroom for you so you can learn how to do it yourself. And well, it's beautiful here at the northern edge of Hinnøya at Toppsundet in Troms County, Norway, right between Lofoten and Narvik. Good afternoon. Here I am back again from the fjords of Norway. So there's one right behind me there. So yeah, have a look at this. Yeah, okay, on we go. I suppose I have to come back here on some foggy day. Yeah, I don't know how to do this. The view is so immense that I think I'm going to need a wide angle, or wait a minute. I think I'll have to stitch this together. Yeah, and then we go to Lightroom. Very easy in this world. And now we're going to stitch the pictures together, which is very easy. All you have to do is mark all the pictures that you want to stitch. In my case, there was 10 of them. And left click on the marked pictures. Hit edit in, no, sorry, photo merge, of course, and panorama, and that will start a panorama preview and build a panorama. And you get 3 different projections to choose from. You have cylindrical here, and spherical and perspective, but we're going to go with cylindrical, and as you can see, there's some information lacking on the top and at the bottom. You can just crop that out afterwards. In that case, you just hit merge. But if you want to auto crop in the panorama merge preview, you can do that. Just hit auto crop there, just mark that, and you can see that it cropped the panorama, and once, and or you can just fill out the edges. I'm assuming that this is some AI thing, and I'm going to go with that. Looks good. See no reason why I shouldn't. And then you hit merge. So go ahead and do that now. I will click the X here to make it go away because I have cheated. And here is the finished panorama. Please show up. Yeah, there. And yeah, the fans on my computer are working hard. Okay, so here's the finished panorama, and I can just go ahead and edit that as I please. And here's my attempt. Thing is, that was the view in one direction. Let me show you the view the other way. Just 20 meters away is the next viewpoint. Yeah, I had to go and fly my drone again. Wouldn't you, if you had one and you were there? So yeah, that's what I did, and just enjoy the view, and yeah, let's do that circle thing as well, and while I pretend to take pictures down there, and yeah, it's a nice, very nice place, and it's not far from the road either, so the terrain is relatively flat to get to. So even I can manage that, and yeah, I may even I wave and shit. So yeah, let's take pictures. So I'm at 68 degrees north, well inside the Arctic Circle. It's about 28 degrees Celsius. So excuse me if I'm melting. My ancestors had to fight saber-toothed polar bears. So when it gets like that, we are melting. Just spotted that the sun is about to hit that island down there, so made a change of lenses. I don't know if the 70-200 will have enough reach, but yeah, we'll try. No foreground interest there, but as you can see behind me, maybe I should shoot some mountains. Yeah, so it's it's amazing. Too bad there's no clothes over there to help me out, but they're all behind me. So I just saw something, and here we go. Yeah, I'll show you the shot. This is thirsty work. And as you can see, I got some clouds coming in again, so but they're on the wrong side. So yeah, they need to be over there now. Yeah, as you can see, I got some cloud cover behind me now, and but they're on the wrong side. They need to be back there. And yeah, back there. Yeah, I'm starting to think that I'm on the wrong mountain. So because the light here is well, the sun is on the wrong. The sun is in the wrong place.
turn around, you see that that little peak there? That's where I should be. And I should be yeah, focus, yeah. And I should be on that peak, taking a picture of that mountain. And when I do, that's for another video. But that's my goal to do for this summer or autumn. So I'm saving it for later. Ferry, 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 ferry. I need more speed. I think I got it. So I'm a little bit pressed for time because somewhere out there my wife is out picking cloudberries, and the time I have with my camera is limited to the time she wants to pick berries. I just gave her a call and she's still at it, but she's getting thirsty. So I think I'm going to try to move up the hill, and if I have time, I will get some more shots from up there. It's going to be a struggle. I will breathe like a whale on land, which I am, and yeah. But first, I have to pack up. Okay, wife called, so she's out here picking cloudberry. And she's done, which means I am done. So I'll be back here some other day. And definitely going to be here more. So on that note, get out there as often as you can, take pictures.